guys! Hallo alle zusammen, hello everybody. Heute habe ich etwas anderes für euch. Today I have something a little bit different for you guys. So some of you have been following me already for a very long time. Some of you also maybe for a short time, doesn't matter. I decided to be a bit more open with you and share my personal life a little bit more with you. Ich möchte mein persönliches Leben ein bisschen mehr mit euch teilen. And so I started a new YouTube channel. You find the link in the description, and there you will see kind of behind the scenes me. So my life as a YouTuber, and then some of you also know that I travel a lot, and I want to show you how I made it work for me. So this channel is going to be all in English. I will keep teaching German on Learn German with Anja, and as a kick-off, I'm doing a 10-day challenge where I do things that I'm afraid of or that I feel uncomfortable with. I will show you in this 10-day challenge my vulnerable side. So the side of me which I haven't shown you guys before. So if you guys want to find out more about it and get to know me even better, then check out my personal channel. The link is in the description. I hope to see you there. It's gonna be exciting. Let's see. Come over, check it out, and let's get going. Los geht's! What can you stop?